How to cancel or pause ChatGPT subscriptions. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by moving into your application ChatGPT. Enter your login credentials and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, tap on this icon at the top left corner of the screen. At the bottom, you'll get to see your profile. Click on it. Tons of different options will be visible to you, but you need to head over to subscriptions. This interface will pop up on your screen. Well, if you have bought the subscription of ChatGPT, then you will get to see the option where it says Manage Your Plan. All you gotta do is click on it, and then you will be able to see the subscription that you have bought. If you want to remove, all you gotta do is cancel or remove the plan, and then tap on Confirm. After that, the subscription will be cancelled or paused, and then you will be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.